Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to use the Python inbuilt text editor to develop your programs. This tool is a text editor that comes with Python when you install it on your PC. Before you continue this video, if you don't have Python installed on your PC, I've made a video on how to install Python on your PC. Quickly watch that video, or you download Python on your PC and let me show you how you can use this tool. It's very useful. It comes with most of the features that are in other softwares for coding like PyCharm and Visual Studio Code or Spider. You can see some of the features. It has debugger features like auto completion. Okay, then let me show you how you can use this tool on your PC without necessarily installing any other software. So some of you have challenges in installing PyCharm or Visual Studio Code, or if you also want to maximize space on your PC or maximize battery or battery power, you don't need to open many softwares on your PC. Just use the Python interpreter and its IDE at the same time. You don't need to open many softwares on your PC that will consume your battery for nothing. When you actually use data to install Python with something that comes and you can use it to perform the same task, make good use of it because it's very powerful. Let's go ahead and let me show you how you can use it. To use this tool, go to your search bar on your PC, or you press Windows key on your keyboard for Windows PC, or Command on Mac OS. On the search bar, type IDLE. The full meaning of this means Integrated Development Learning Environment, which simply means Integrated Development Environment. This tool is used for writing your scripts or coding. This is where you can write your scripts and run them. So I'm using different versions of Python interpreter, but I would like to use the current one. So you just click on it. This is how the software looks like. The tool, when you open it, automatically it creates a file for you with a title as the name of it. So just go to File, Save As, choose the location where you want to save that file, then the name of the file. So the name of the file I want to write is try. Just write the name of the file. You don't need to add the extension there because automatically it configures for you Python files here. So go ahead and save it. After that, you can see it here, try.py. So let's print something. I'm printing hello world. To run the code, go to run module and you press on it. But before that, you have to save your file. Whatever you have written there, don't forget to save it. Press Ctrl+S to save it, or you go to File, then Save. Now you can run your code. It has come. Hello world. This is the Python shell that you will be interacting with the interpreter. It gives you output from this and it takes input from you through this. Then let's go ahead and print something. My name is Tipo. I'll save it, then run. Hello, my name is Tipo. It's actually fast. You can go ahead and comment it, run it, and see whether it will run or not. Yes, because I didn't save it. Hello, because this place is commented, it's giving me the second line of code. Now what I want to show you here is to customize it, because you see it's too plain. It doesn't look nice to me. So to configure it, go to options. First, come to show lines so that you can see the lines have come here. Go back to options, configure IDE. Here you can change the font size here or the font name. So I like to choose symbol, then increase the font size. I'll make it 14 bold. I would also like to change the background of it. So to change it, go to highlights, then choose background, come to this drop down menu and choose the color that you want. Here you can change it and apply for OK. It looks pretty good. Go ahead and print something. Enter your name. Print hello name. Save it, then run. Enter your name. More code have error. Interpreter is good because it gives correct error messages. Have you seen? Enter your name. So more code. Hello more code. Let me make an error there and see what will happen. I'll intentionally just put something there. Save it, run and see the error message that it will give to you. so invalid syntax, and it has highlighted it for you as you can see here. This tool is powerful. Let's correct it, save, run it again. Hello email, that's fine. Another thing I want to show you is that you can use it to open projects that you have worked on previously and you want to continue. To do that, go to file, choose open, then search for the projects that you have written. Let me go back, let me choose on this, open it, then save it, run. It comes, enter your name. Hello, tip code, how are you? Basically that is it. There is the instruction. You can continue writing there. Can clear this, save, run. Hello tip code. Thank you. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you. I'll be uploading some Python tutorials. Subscribe to my channel and like it for more Python tutorials.